The National People's Party (NPP) had re-elected Conrad Sangma as its national president and Thomas Sangma as its national secretary at an election held on the 18th of January 2022 at the party office in LACHAUMIERE, Shillong. The returning officer during the elections, ABHAYA KASHYAP, announced the results of the elections.
So today we were faced with one candidate on each of the two positions, that is of the President and the National General Secretary position. And it was my pleasant duty to declare them elected unopposed. The position of the Treasurer was declared as being vacant per force, and the situation now is that for the year 22 to year 25, we have conducted elections as required by our Constitution. And Mr. Conrad Sangma continues to be the President, and Mr. Thomas Sangma continues to be National General Secretary Organization. I think that sums up what was done today.
Insofar as the negative reputation to the name of the North Garo Hills MLA Thomas Sangma is concerned, returning officer ABHAYA KASHYAP said that if it is believed to be true, it is a personal issue that has to be dealt with by the individual himself and not by the party.
So, what you are saying is true, but there is a counter side to it. That the larger picture is that in our system of governance, democracy and constitutional law, a person is treated not guilty till found guilty. We cannot, even as a party, overturn that system and start treating a person stands up for election. At that point in time, he has all the qualifications necessary to be validly declared a candidate. I cannot go behind his valid candidature and say, I will, as a returning officer, that I will find his candidature invalid because there are 5 cases pending against him, or 1 case, or half a case, or he is missing. There is another situation very interesting. I may not be the accused, but I may be accused of missing and not doing my duty in a matter where I may be a witness, and the court may have summoned me and there are warrants against me where I am witness to a heinous crime. So there are so many possibilities in law, but ultimately, am I guilty is determined only by the court's orders. A political party cannot start picking and choosing and declaring people as either guilty or having a whiff of guilt.
Rajya Sabha MP and State President of the NPP Meghalaya, W.R. Kharlukhi, who was present during the election of the party's national president and other positions, said that the All India Trinamool Congress has every right as an opposition to lodge an FIR and also to demand for an inquiry by the SIT into the alleged illegal mining of coal in the state of Meghalaya.
Yes, accusations are there, but I used to maintain this. Once you find out who stopped you from filing an FIR in the police station, so that those people who are involved should be arrested. So even with them, if they find, they can't do it. I also am very much against it. Who would like to see that no corruption prevails in our state? Nobody likes. But the only thing is, you cannot just blame and accuse. The police are there, file an FIR, let those people be arrested.